Here's a great deal on a 2015 Chrysler Town & Country. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle proves competitive in its price class based on its condition and value. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Chrysler prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including leather upholstery, fully automatic headlights, and much more. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Chrysler also prioritized safety and security by including traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing a comprehensive certification process, including a rigorous 125-point inspection. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.